All right. Hello, everyone. So, in our previous live, we were able to create one middleware layer which is helping us with summarizing our context. And we also saw what is use case of in-memory server, the check pointer, which is helping us with maintaining our previous chats data. So that is that chat history is uh, used by summarization middleware, and this is how we were able to fulfill our chat history, and we were able to retrieve that information. So that example we saw, but now I want to go even further and understand what is being passed to my LLM, and I want to observe that. So for that we need observability layer. So let's try to understand what are different ways we have, and is there any free software that might help us with observability. mm, Langsmith is there. Is Langsmith for free? Find it base traces per month. Okay, let's start building it. I think this should work. It requires my email address login. Uh, Let me take it to my other window. Let me log in. Just a minute. I'm login. Okay, I was able to log in. Okay, and then welcome to this. I'll add and create a project. Let's say YouTube temp project. All right, Langsmith SDK. We'll have to install this. Let's open it in. Perfect. We paste it. So we have to install this Claude Agent SDK, and then we'll have to set this environment variables. So for that environment variables, I will, okay, let me, this is API, your API key, and generate, let me generate API key, which is nothing but this one. I might not expose this, so let me fulfill those. Okay, anyways, it's on same screen. Perfect. Now YouTube temp project, another Anthropic API key. But I don't have Anthropic, right? So do we have Gemini in here? Gemini API key. Gemini key I will pass. Okay. Uh, Google API key. Okay, fine. Let me put this in my environment variables and let me come back. Perfect. Okay, perfect. Now after generating API key, Gemini client, wrapper, explain of quantum computing. No, where is a wrapper? Langsmith. Okay, let's import that in our main. Import Langsmith, then client wrap Gemini. Wrap Gemini. Gemini client. No, I don't think that's the right example. Google ADK. Let's see. Mm, I don't know how to add. Trace the Google Gemini applications. All right, test Google Gemini applications. Google Gemini. Your API key, configure wrappers. No, that's not the correct answer for us. Wrap Gemini. Wrapper. Wrappers dot wrap Gemini client API key. And then the client. Gen AI. No. Uh, no, this is not the right way. They're not giving like wide variety of examples. I'm a little disappointed with this, but yeah, let's see. Wait. It's my bad. I'm integrating it somewhere else. This shouldn't be in app.py file, but instead, how can I integrate it with create agent? How to integrate it with create agent? I'm pretty sure we have to integrate it before that. Temperature. Okay, model LLM is here. Now create React agent. Agent is here. Now agent executor. But what is this nonsense? Where is the Langsmith? Mm-hmm. Check status. Check the status of the specific IDs. Okay. Hub.pull. What is this hub? LangChain hub. Hub.pull. HWK 17 React. I don't know what is it. Yet create remain the same. And then tools. Invoke. When LangSpeed project, you will see the trace of every request that shows. But does it work out of the box? Tracing integration. Anyways, let's try. Uh, I don't know if that will work out of the box. Application search tracing. Currently, I might not have any tracing, but I already have environment variable set. So let's see. Clear this up. cd into agent. Clear it. Python main.py. Oh wait, oh, it's already running. It's already running. Let's restart it. Admin, then admin again, login. Okay. And then let's say, who is Virat Kohli? Yeah, it is working out of the box. And let's see what we have. Kohli is Indian. This is an output. System prompt, you are a helpful assistant. Answer normal, call, send email immediately once you have. So this system message is this one. Now I'll try to recreate the same example, and I want to understand what was the thinking process for that specific use case, right? I was talking about this example where we are trying to remember users' information, users' name and whatnot. May add it again. One more thing. All right. Mm, okay, I need to trace this last query. Okay, now let's try to observe this. Tool output and a feedback input. This is system, this is user. Here is a summary of conversation date. I am not prior, no prior conversation history. Here is a summary of user. Okay. I Oh, it means that my summarizer is not working, is it? Because the thing is that from tracing it seems that it doesn't have. I'll copy raw. Okay. You don't need persistent storage for summarizing it to work. It only looks at the whatever the message are already on the agent state right before the model call summarizer where your trigger token 600 is satisfied. What you need is checkpointer that keeps that state alive for a long as ah while so no disk or DB required to summarize the logic. But yes, if you restart the app, okay, okay. Okay, let's try to understand this interface itself. Feedback. Your helpful assistant summarize the conversation history in the concise manner. User, but is this has to be a system message, right? Output text. I am an assistant that there is no prior conversation history. All right. So that means our context summarizer is not working as expected. All right. I think it's fine. We might need to explore more because it seems like this context manager is not sufficient for this. Okay, let's see.